Hello everybody, it's time to start the heat up in the workshop. There's our outside temperature and the inside temperature. It's not too bad inside yet. We just had that cool front come through this morning, so it's steadily dropping. And per usual, I have drained the water out of this and refilled it with very hot water, as it takes a little while for this system to get going. It's easier just to give it a jump start with hot water, and then it's fine the rest of the time. I have hooked my 2 circulating pumps up, and I'm going to let those run for a little bit and make sure all the air is purged out of the lines, and then we'll go from there. I'll flip the switch to on, and that should start the circulating pumps. Got no fan on at the time. Definitely hear things happening. Hear air being purged. Once I am satisfied with that, I will go ahead and plug the heaters in that heat the water. Time to start plugging in heaters. This is the one that's underground in the 10-gallon cooler. That one's in, and then this is the instant water heater that I replaced a couple years ago, I believe. It was an October failure. And then I'll wait till these copper lines start warming up. So I'll come back when these water lines start warming up, and we'll put the fan on, see what it'll do. So I disconnected that one pump for just a minute. It's quite noisy. I wanted to hear if my water was starting to boil a little bit. Sounds like it is. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fan on. And fan is on. Let's take a temperature check and see what the initial startup is. I need to take that cover off and vacuum that out in there. 65, 70, okay. So it's above ambient, but it's got a long way to go. While I'm waiting on that homemade one to heat up, I can test this other one. It's on 70, and it came on. We'll let that warm up. Go ahead and do a temperature check here. Yeah, that one's, it'll take a minute for that to start warming. 62. We'll let them both chooch and keep checking in. See how we're doing. This line's beginning to warm up. This one's still pretty cool. Okay, we're respectable there. Let's see about this one. Yep, that one's doing it. And the tip's already in range, so that's good. Very good. 35 is as cold as it's been so far, so certainly time to turn the heat on. So go ahead and set this. Put it on 70 to start out with. See how long it takes it to satisfy. Do one more temp check here. See how things are going. There we go. Coming right on up. Yep, we're in range. So once again, this has been starting the heaters up in the workshop for 2024 and 2025 winter. Thank you for watching.